What's going on, insiders? It's Harrison here with the rapid rundown version of the price list update summary video series brought to you by Actionable Insights. There were 6 new line items added to the Xactimate price list in December 2023, so let's take a look. The first new line item this month is HMR-EQ. This is in the hazardous material remediation category. We also have HMR-EQA. So you might recognize the selector codes for equipment setup, takedown, and monitoring, and after hours monitoring, equipment setup and takedown. Now we have HMR versions of these line items. We also have 2 new line items in the WTR category. WTR PLYTN for tear out, toe kick, no bagging, as well as an after hours version in PLYTNA. So 2 new WTR line items around tearing out toe kicks without bagging, as well as 2 new line items in the roofing category, RFG. These are Vent SP and Vent SP Plus for solar power roof vents, up to 25 watts for the first line item and between 26 to 40 watts for the SP Plus version of solar power roof vents. There are the 6 new line items added to the Xactimate price list in December 2023. Be sure to tune in to the full price list update summary video series later this month, where we talk about the context of these new line items, how to use them, where to apply them, as well as the changes to existing line items in the price list. Thank you.